Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to add a photo in Canva resume, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is simply go to canva.com, and when you are on canva.com, log into your account. Now from here you can search for different types of templates. I'm going to search for a CV template from here. Now you can search for CV or resume, and you can find lots of free option and also some pro option. So from here you can choose any of this from here. So for example, I'm going to choose this one here, and if I want to customize it, this template, you can find customize this template, then you will be able to edit each and every part of this template of the CV. Now if you want to change the photo from here, so you have to do is you have to delete the existing photo on that template. Now you can find a delete image, so make sure that you have delete only the image from here. Now the frame will remain, and this frame will help you to capture your image in this exact shape. Now you have to upload your image. I have already uploaded my image here. Now I'm going to add it or place it. You have to just upload it, and you have to hold and drag it toward this frame here. When you have just pasted it, it will set automatically your image here. And also you can do is you can also change the frame. If you don't like this circle frame, you can do is delete image and frame also. Now go to the elements from here, the left side navigation section, where you can search for frames, and here you can find different types of frames from here. So if you like squared frames on your CV, then you can add this frame here, drag and drop, and you can add just the size of your frame just like this. Yeah, I have just added it in the perfect location, and we are going to add the photo again just like this here. So that's how you can drag and drop your photo on the frame section, and you will be able to add that photo. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.